Hi, this is Rob from ILC Tech Support. I've got another tech video for you. This one's real quick. I just wanted to show you a very quick mock-up on how we would wire our EVO Lite power pack for plug load. These wires here are for an occupancy sensor, so I'm not super worried about that. And of course, we don't need our dimming wires because we're not dimming right now. So we have our line and neutral on one side here, and then our load on the other side. So this is how it would be normally wired. The really important thing that I want to stress about plug load is that our power pack needs to be in configuration B, or the blue configuration. If you don't know how to do that, I will link a video right here, and we'll link it down below in the video description. So you can always use your QR code to check that out.
Thank you so much for watching our video today. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have additional questions, feel free to email us at ilc.techsupport@ilc-usa.com or call us from 7 to 5 Central at 952-842-2588.